Hello everyone. I started teaching online through audios and videos even before COVID. I am a life coach and I have been running 40 courses online on my portal. So I have explored so many tools for creating the banners, Insta post, Insta reels, and then creating the videos, recording those videos, creating those presentations, then PDFs, the manuals people ask for it. I am a life coach for the last 20 years and into healing, and I am teaching online for the last 10 years, and in this journey I've explored everything. So I'll give you step by step guide of building that system with bare minimum costing, where you don't have to invest the huge amount, because I will be giving you maximum free tools with the smallest investment, wherein you can begin your journey of running these courses online, building that system. I will teach you how to create the PDFs, how to first of all how to find the name for your courses, how to find the content, the curriculum, how to create the presentations out of that, then how to create the PDFs, the manuals, the written content, and then the videos, with videos with presentation with your face, how to record with the tripod, how to record online, and then how to convert them into the videos to be uploaded, how to add few elements if you want to add some pictures, some text. So I'll give you step by step system wherein you can add so many things into your system. I will give you only one tool for one thing, so that you can be at ease, and they are very simplistic of tools. You don't need any high technical knowledge, just with the basics of understanding and from the scratch, and then everything is waste unless and until you are able to sell them. So I will help you create your YouTube channel, how to upload the videos, how to upload the videos for the course, and then how to sell them through the online ad also. So how to create your Facebook page, the business account, the ad account, how to sell your courses, how to get the leads, and how. So if you want to learn the step by step system, join in this journey. Don't miss, because that is the future. You have to be online sooner the better. So if you want to teach in any area, be it yoga, be it cooking, be it stitching, be it knitting, be it creating the crochet things, whatever your niche is, and if you want to teach online to people, you want to create content for people, even if you want to give free content on YouTube, remedies, solution based, selling based, so you can learn from me, and I will give you the best test of system, because I am a seeker. I've explored many tools. I'll give you the best in each and every area. So don't miss this class, and sooner the better. Don't delay your journey.